Anytime you start learning a language, you need to be able to handle both the affirmative form and the negative form of this language. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to work with the Swahili past tense in the negative form. Hi, my name is Karen Wanjiru Stringer, and I coach busy Swahili learners just like you on strategies of achieving Swahili fluency. So like I said, we're going to be looking at how we work with the past tense in the negative form. So you need to remember a few things about working with in the negative form. You're still going to be following the same rules of verb conjugation. So you're going to still be working with the subject prefix in its negative form, and then you're also going to be working with the tense in its negative form. Those first two sections actually change when you're doing negation, but the object infixes and the verb itself still remains the same. You're going to see what I mean exactly. So in an example like the one we have right here, Nilikisoma, which means I read, the ni is the subject prefix and the li is the tense. Now, the soma is the verb. When you're negating, actually this applies to all the tenses. When you start negating, the subject prefix is going to change, and the tense itself is going to change. I take that back, not in all the tenses, but in the present and the past tense, those two are going to change. So we're going to see how exactly that changes, and it's also going to be determined by the subject prefix that you're working with. If you're working with the living things class, or you're the non-living things class, whether you're working with the past person, the second person, or he or she. So just for today, I'm going to just work with the first person, just because I don't want to keep this video too long, all right? Okay, so this is a general rule that you can apply to all the verbs that you come across in the past tense, talking about the first person. So the first person is going to, the subject prefix is going to change from ni to si, okay? And the tense li is going to be a ku. Okay, so li becomes ku and ni becomes si. So using that rule, we say, if we wanted to say I did not read, we'll take that ni and turn it into a si. And then we'll take that li and turn it into a ku, and then we have Nilikisoma. So now that we know that, how would we negate ni, li, pika? If you said sikupika, then you are correct. And that, my friend, is how you negate the past tense using the first person. So I encourage you to go ahead and try to negate as many verbs as you can using the first person, and then of course it's going to become second nature. We are still within the time period where you can still apply to participate in the complimentary month of LSN. There are no strings attached. Just go ahead, fill out the application, and take advantage of it. Whether you continue or not, that's not the point. The point is you get to participate in this particular month, because I am very, very honored that you're here and that you've supported me for the past 2 years. Okay, so I will talk to you again soon.